Hi, Ben here from Benz Softwash, and in this short little video I'm going to show you what equipment I use for applying bioclens to a slate roof. Starting at the brush head, I have a wide flopped brush. It's a gardener brush. Really helps us cover a lot of ground on this slate roof really easily and fast and efficiently. The pole we are using is called a Phantom 30-foot carbon fibre pole. We sometimes use the Gardner 30-foot SLX as well, or the Extreme 47 if we had a particularly large roof to do, and of course the over 8s as well. A lot of people struggle with the means of turning the flow of chemical on and off, and so we've developed this valve especially for applying chemicals to roofs. It can be used for render as well, but we prefer this for roofs. And what this valve does, it's adjustable, so we can have it up here, or we can have it further down the pole. This has a number of advantages, including a balance on long reaches, or just convenience. We can have it up here in front of us, like so. So then when we're applying the chemical, we turn it on, like so. Push in our chemical. And if we want to adjust the pole or do anything like that, we just turn it off, adjust the pole, so now I can turn on the valve and then brush with my hands, both hands on the pole and the flow chemical on. And then if I need to turn it off, I can just turn it off like so. And again, if I wanted to bring it down, I could bring it down and have it here as well. Okay, so plugged into the adjustable pole valve is one of these, which is called a non-drip fitting. And when we disconnect this, there'll be a very small amount of chemical just left in the plug. That's going to drip out, but then nothing else will come out, even though the pump is on. So if I just demonstrate that now, we turn that on and we have a flow of chemical. We turn that off and disconnect this. There'll be a small amount of chemical come out, but after that, nothing. And that's the beauty of these non-drip couplings and plugs which we have connected here. Nothing will come out until they're connected like so. This blue hose is connected to our main hose reel hose, which is a 1/2 inch hose. We don't like to plug the 1/2 inch hose directly into this because of the weight of it. We find this light, short piece of blue hose connected to our 1/2 inch hose works really well. And if I just give a demonstration on that, very small amount of chemical comes out and then nothing from the whip end or the 1/2 inch hose until we connect them back in again. What this setup does, especially with this whip end, allows us to get our 1/2 inch hose up onto the scaffolding, and we have just this here, and we can get ourselves organized with our pole, our whip end, plug that in, and away we go. We are now safely and efficiently applying our chemical to the roof. So where this adjustable pole valve really comes into its own, especially when you're soft washing roofs, is at a time like this. For whatever reason, I've ran out of pole. Okay, so I might not have opened up one or two of the sections fully, or my pole is not long enough. But what I can do, I can bring the valve back to here, give me full control of the valve still, use the pole and get the awkward spot with full control of my chemical flow before finishing, winding back in our extensions. Like so. That's how we safely and efficiently apply bioclens to a roof. If you like these little videos, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell notification, and you'll be notified every time we post a new video. So until that time, thanks for watching, happy soft washing, cheerio.